Hello, let's learn Vedic metric to do division by number 5, 25 and 125. Okay. Let's take first number 62 divided by 5. So what you have to do is write this 62. This 5 can be represented as 2 by 10. Okay. Now 62 into 2 is 124. Now you see here you have to give decimal point. So here there is 10, so 10. So after 4 give one decimal point. Okay. So this is the answer. Next, let's take number 26 by 5. So write 26 into 5 can be represented as 2 by 10. 26 into 2 is 52. Then leave one place and give decimal point. So 5.2. Okay, this is 10. So we gave decimal point after one digit. Third, 206 by 5. So 206 into 2 by 10. That is 412. Then again, as here there is 10, so leave one digit and give decimal point. 41.2 is the answer. Okay, remember one thing, that when you divide by 5, okay, when you divide by 5, what we do here, what we did, we do into 2 by 10. Okay, remember this. I hope you understood this part. Okay, let's move to division by 25. Let's take number 14 by 25. Now what you will do? Write this 14 into, you have to take 2 by 10 twice. Okay, so 2 by 10 into 2 by 10. So now 14 into 2 into 2. That becomes 50. 14 into 2 is 28. Into 2 is 56. Okay. Now 10 into 10 is 100. So we have to give decimal point after 2 digits. 2 zeros. 1, 2. Okay. So 0.56 is the answer. Next, let's take 6 by 25. So what you will do? 6 into 2 by 10 into 2 by 10. Okay, that is 6 into this. You can write as rather than writing 2 by 10 twice, what you can do? You can write 4 by 100. Okay, now 6 into 4 is 24. Then again here 100. So give decimal point after 2 digits. 1, 2. This is your answer. Next, let's take one more example. Let's do 33 by 25. So 33 into divide by 25, right? So what I will do, rather than 2 by 10, rather than writing 2 by 10 twice, what I will do, 4 by 100. Okay, so that is 132. Now again give decimal points 1, 2. Okay, 100 is there. So leave 2 digits 1, 2 and give decimal point. Answer is 1.32. Now what you have to remember here is, when you do division, when division by 25, what we do? We do into 4 by 100. Okay, this was about division by 25. Okay, this is division by 5. Now let's do division by 125. I hope you understood this. Okay, see, Let's do division by 125. Let's take number 3 by 125. So now what I will do is 3 into 2 by 10 into 2 by 10 into 2 by 10 thrice. Okay. Now this is 3 into, we can write this as 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. Okay. So write. So what is the answer? I will write here. What is the answer? 24. Now here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 decimal point. Okay, this is your answer. Next, let's take number 20 by 125. So what you will do now? Now you know when there is 125, what you have to do? You have to multiply by 8 by 1000. Okay, now this is 8 to the 16. So 160. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, give decimal point. So this is your answer. So simple. Okay, just practice. Next, 32 by 125. Same procedure. 32 into 8 by 1000. 32 into 8, 256. Give decimal point now. 1, 2, 3. This is your answer. So what you have to remember in this case is what you have observed now. When you divide by 5, okay, when there is division by 5, we do into 2 by 10. When there is division by 25, we do into 4 by 100. And when division by 125, what we do? We do into 8 by 1000. It makes our calculation easy. Okay. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now it's exercise time. So let me give you exercise. Try 44 by 5. Then 68 by 25. And 73 by 125. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.